Hi Year 5, welcome back, Mrs Powell here. Now today we are going to be learning how to create a sense of space on a picture surface. So let me explain. Obviously a piece of paper like this is two-dimensional, it's flat. But we want to create a sense of space on the picture space as if objects are receding into the background. And we call this technique perspective. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing that you want to draw to create your perspective landscape is the horizon. So halfway up your paper, you are just going to draw a light line straight across. Now I'm just doing it freehand. You could use a ruler, but just don't go too heavy with your horizon line because you are going to have to erase some of the marks. Then we have to establish the vanishing point. The vanishing point is where everything appears, all the lines appear to vanish. They don't actually vanish, but that's just the way your eye sees it. So we're going to put a little dot, tiny dot there to mark our vanishing point. Now from that point, we're going to draw a road. So the road is going to come across like this and off the paper, and then from the vanishing point towards the edge of the paper, okay? And to sort of heighten that idea that it is a road, you're going to draw a sort of line in the middle, which would be the white line on the road, okay? Now notice that the line that I'm drawing, it starts almost as though you can't see it, and then gets a little bit wider as it comes nearer the edge of the paper, like that. Okay, now you're going to draw some hills in the background. So once again, you're going to start at the vanishing point, and let's do a sort of mountain going up like this, like that, and then behind it, another mountain going up off the paper. And then the same on the other side, start from the vanishing point, and then just make a little hill shape there, and once again, behind it, a slightly larger hill. Okay. Now to really reinforce the idea that the picture space is sort of going into the distance there, we're going to draw some trees. Now anything which is nearer to you, looks larger, okay? So we're going to start by drawing a tree, a nice big tree, sort of roughly a fir tree, that's going to look as though it's in the foreground, so near to you. Doesn't matter if it's coming off the paper, that's great. And just draw its trunk in there, okay? And erase that bit of the horizon so it doesn't look transparent. Now behind it, you are going to draw a smaller tree. Now it's not actually a smaller tree, it's just that because it's further away, it appears smaller. So you're just going to draw your tree like that, and then another one, smaller still. And even smaller. So I hope that gives you the idea that the road is going into the distance and the trees are following. So you just do the same on the other side. Here's my finished single point perspective landscape. So I hope you can see that all the lines look as though they're receding into the centre of the paper there. I've also used colour sensitively, remembering that anything nearer you is darker in tone. So have a go at doing it. You can make it your own. You can try putting buildings on there, fence posts, but just try and get that sense of space. Now, if you want to share any of your work with me, please just upload it to the Google Classroom. I've put an art folder on there, and you can just comment on it to let me know that you've done it. So I hope you have fun, good luck, and keep drawing.